So this is my latest project. That's a plough disc that I've had sitting around beside the shed for quite a while, and that's a 6 kilo fire extinguisher, the top of that, and that's a 6 kilo gas bottle, or part of it, and there's some bit of pipe that I got, and I'm going to try and make myself a forge. I had a ventilated disc, brake disc drum that I was going to use, but I thought this would work better. I'm thinking to slot this in here so I can get a bit of iron in the fire a bit deeper. Anyway, let's see how it goes from here. Well, I think I've got it all together. Put the legs on. Got my little hairdryer adapter to attach on here. That should go on pretty good there. And a little dumping, an ash clearing mechanism, I suppose. I don't know what you call it. Let's have a look the other way up. So I made my own charcoal. So here we go. I'm going to give it a test. See whether it's going to heat it up nicely. This is a test fire with just something I bent up before. It's only on 50% of air, so that's 50% air. Get a bit more of a crank. Touch now, but it's not a see video as well as that. That's insulated in there. See if we can do yeah. Turn it back down again. Oh damn. Get a proper attachment on that. Even with it dying down now, I've turned the fan down low. It's pretty good. But yeah, I can use some old salvage timber that I got and cut up. I've got barbecue beads, or I can make my own charcoal with this charcoal maker that I made here. So So once it burns down and gets some coals down at the bottom there, then it's pretty good. Made out of a plough disc, 2 gas bottles, one on the top and one covering the fire plug in the bottom, insulated, and a 2-inch pipe on the bottom, and some Rio bar that I bought for $1 a kilo.